Welcome to the short video presentation of our paper with the title NurseCare, Design and in-the-Wild Evaluation of a Mobile System to Promote the Ergonomic Transfer of Patients. My name is Maximilian Dürr, and I'm presenting this work on behalf of my co-authors Carla Gröschel, Ulrike Pfeil and Harald Reiterer. Before I begin, I wanted to say that we really appreciate the invitation to prepare this talk for the Mensch und Computer 2020. We hope you enjoy it. So our work is in general related to nursing care, and as part of their daily duties, nurses are frequently required to transfer patients. However, the manual transfer of patients can pose a major risk factor to nurses' health. Our work contributes first by introducing NurseCare, a mobile system to promote the ergonomic transfer of patients during work, and second, we contribute by an in-the-wild evaluation in a clinical setting which investigates how nurses experience the support of NurseCare during work. So let's first take a closer look at NurseCare. NurseCare uses a wearable in form of a chest belt and a small sensor to track a user's posture. After putting the chest belt on, nurses can connect the wearable to the NurseCare smartphone app. NurseCare then supports the nurses during their work practice. The mobile system provides nurses with mobile instructions for the conduct of patient transfers based on kinesthetics. When a nurse transfers a patient, NurseCare gives feedback related to the risky bending of the back. This in-situ feedback is provided by a vibration of the smartphone. Based on the feedback, the nurses can correct their movement behavior. Finally, NurseCare provides nurses with long-term feedback to aid their reflection, for example, during breaks or at home. So how did we design NurseCare? Our design process was based on a previously conducted qualitative study, which provided a broad understanding of the context. To design NurseCare, we extended our broad understanding with specifics about support during work. For this purpose, we conducted 2 workshops. The first workshop was conducted together with 5 nursing care students. Based on the results of this workshop, we identified requirements that informed the design and implementation of NurseCare. The second workshop targeted the question how a mobile system may address the identified requirements in a way that supports the nurse's complex workflow. For this workshop, we combined the expertise of nurses with the expertise of computer science students. The results of the second workshop help to clarify the system requirements and how they can be integrated into the nurse's daily workflow. Finally, guided by the insights from our workshops, we applied further UX design methods to develop the design and interaction concept of NurseCare. To evaluate how well a system like NurseCare can address nurses' needs, we conducted a qualitative mixed methods user study in the wild. 9 nursing care students used NurseCare for multiple days at home and at work. All of the participants had participated in a kinesthetics basic course. Each of the participants used NurseCare at least during 3 consecutive workdays. And the participants received €30 as compensation for their participation. Our results indicate that NurseCare provides a high user experience adequate to the nurse's work domain, a high subjective support to promote ergonomic work, and a good but limited subjective support for the application of kinesthetics. Furthermore, our results indicate how a system like NurseCare can be integrated into nurses' daily work in the future. Further details about NurseCare and the user study are explained in our paper. Thanks for watching.